What's she eating?
She's eating a mango.
What? What is here? What do you want, beta?
Oh, look, she's pointing to it.
Hello. There you go, mango. Is it good?
Oh my god, look at her.
Watch. Ready? Watch. All right.
Oh my gosh, she loves mangoes. I want her to grunt. I want her to grunt again.
Okay, she will do it. Watch. Ready? Watch. What?
Man, she really wants that mango. She just punched you in the face.
Yeah, no. Look at her.
Look, she loved that mango.
Yes, it is in my language.
Wait, what?
Yeah,
Mango's
yeah.
Oh my god, she said, oh my god! And you're actually fangirling over a baby eating a mango. I love my life.
That's it? More better or less?
Oh my god.
Wow, my Zoha beta.
No, her name is Aensiya.
Aensiya, yeah. I'm sorry, I miss.
You don't know your own daughter's name?
Okay, I give you beta.
She's mad at you.
Yeah, I know. I love you. I love you, Insu Babli. Mango lover. Okay.
What is that?
Okay. What's so funny? Zoha, very funny.
Her name is Aensiya.
Yeah, I know. Why I keep saying Zoha?
Because, you don't know the difference?
Watch. Insi, ready, beta? It's mine. Mine. This is mine. Oh, teri khair ho. It's mine.
What did she do? She's like...
It's mine.
Oh.
Insi, bad baby.
Knock, knocking on wood.
That's mine now. Can I eat now? It's mine. Come here. Okay, here you go, beta. Chanda, Insi, beta. There you go. Okay, here you go. I'll give you.
Oh.
Teri khair ho. Alhamdulillah. That's it. It's mine now. It's mine. Oh, you okay?
Oh, she's gonna cry. Cry, baby, gonna cry.
You think I will let her cry? No way.
Wow, I love her so much.
It's so sweet, isn't it?
Look, she has it on her hand. Who eats a mango like that? I usually like cut it up.
Right.
Should I stop the video? It's at 5 minutes.
That's good.
Okay, bye.